So good morning children. We are continuing with the agricultural price policy. आपने देखा कि agriculture का price is one of the very significant factor to be discussed because agriculture is the backbone of the country and agriculture is providing wage goods. Somewhere in the book you will see the term wage goods. What do you mean by wage goods? It is providing food. It is providing cereals, it is providing pulses. So without agriculture, we cannot survive. Aapka industrial sector and service sector can never replace agriculture. Please remember, farmer is an unavoidable element. Farmer is an unavoidable component of Indian economy because he is the one who is providing us food grains. So government has appointed a committee under the chairmanship of JAM, and JA committee has recommended setting up of Agricultural Price Commission. Okay, so what is Agricultural Price Commission? Agricultural Price Commission was set up in 1965. I will come back to that. At present it is known as Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price. अभी उसका नाम change हो गया. It is known as Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price. Okay, the basic question is why Agricultural Price Commission is very important. What is the reason? Already we have seen in the first part of the lecture or yesterday's lecture that agricultural prices are highly fluctuating. Okay, and Indian farmer is resorting to distress sale. And I told you what is distress sale. Immediately after the harvest, farmer is selling, so he is getting lower price. When he is getting lower price, he is disappointed and he will produce less. Ultimately production gets affected. In addition to this, there are a lot of middlemen who are working between farmer and the final consumer. Aapka aur mere beech mein there are so many middlemen. Okay, because of all this, the price is not something which is reflecting the proper picture of agricultural market. So government ko ye samajh mein aaya, there should be a commission, whatever may be the name of the commission. The purpose of the commission is to stop the fluctuations in agricultural price. Please understand that. So government has, this is the crux of this entire answer. This is very useful not only for your studies, but even to understand the working of the economy. Once you understand these three concepts, you will understand why the farmer is, why the farmer is in strike for almost 6 months now. They are still fighting with the government. What is the reason? So Government of India announced 3 types of prices. They are known as administered price. Children, once I told you, still I am repeating. Administered price means the price which is fixed by the government. That is known as administered price. The price which is fixed by the government is known as administered price. There are 3 prices in our country. One is minimum support price. Second is procurement price. Third is statutory minimum price. Be very careful here. You have to understand this because you are the citizen of the country. India का हर एक citizen को ये समझ में आना mandatory है because हमारा country के बारे में, हमारा country में जो होता है वो हमको समझ में आना ही पड़ेगा. Please remember that. So there are 3 prices. One is minimum support price, second is procurement price, and third is statutory minimum price. Okay, वो क्या क्या है हम देखते हैं. First one is minimum support price. आपने देखा कि CACP, Cost for Agricultural, the Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price. Okay, so Agricultural Price Commission, every year they are announcing minimum support price. Point number 1, minimum support price is fixed by the government. Okay, what is the minimum supply price? It is a lifelong guarantee, देखो, to enable the farmer to pursue his effort with the assurance that price of the product would not be allowed to fall below the level fixed by the government, even if there is a surplus in the market arising out of excessive production or excess production. समझ में नहीं आया होगा. I am explaining. 1 minute, listen. Okay. First point, if you are sitting with a book and pen, you can take down. Minimum support price, that is MSP, that is announced by Government of India. Point number 1. Point number 2, it is announced before the harvest. That is something important. Harvest के पहले government announce करता है. मैडम ये कैसा मालूम पड़ेगा? टीवी में आता है. When they are announcing the news, it will, just the pop-up will come in the TV, it will come in the newspaper, government website, सब जगह में. So minimum support price is decided by the government. Point number 1. Point number 2 is it is decided before the harvest. Please remember that. Why it is announced before the harvest? Harvest का पहले announce करने पर farmer को confidence मिलेगा, farmer को assurance मिलेगा. Government क्या assurance देता है? Government says that हम आपको इतना minimum price आपका product को हम देगा. That is the minimum support price. I will give you the example. Suppose that production के बाद ज़्यादा production होने पर क्या होगा? Prices will decrease because production is more. A particular year climate is very good, agricultural production become a bumper harvest. So a situation where 100% there will be surplus in the market because production तो ज़्यादा है. So सब लोगों के पास excess production है. Excess production होने पर क्या होगा children? Prices will decrease. Price decrease होने पर farmer will incur loss. ये सब complicated chain है. So government ने क्या decide कर दिया? We will fix the price. Say for example per quintal. Let us take the case of wheat, rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, jowar, bajra, etc. Bajra and all that stuff. Let us take the example of wheat. Suppose that government is fixing, only an example. Okay, 450 rupees per quintal. आपको मालूम है wheat, rice वगैरह क्विंटल में measure करता है. So when it is 450 rupees per quintal, government has announced it before the harvest. वो time harvest इतना अच्छा हो गया, market price 450 से भी नीचे गए. Market price 450 से भी नीचे गए. लेकिन farmer को कुछ डरने का सवाल ही नहीं है. Why the farmer should not be afraid? Because government has fixed the price as 450. Okay, market का price है say 410 because excess production है. Market का price is 410. Okay, whereas government has fixed the price as 450. So in that case government क्या करेगा? Farmer के पास से 450 में food खरीदेगा. Though the market price is 410. Either farmer is in a win-win position, government is also in a win-win position. एक कहानी किधर तक समझ में आया अभी पूछता है मैं. Okay, the moment it is not clear, ask me to explain again. First point, minimum support price is announced by whom? बोलो. इतना टाइम नहीं है जल्दी आंसर देने का. Minimum support price is announced by whom?
Government.
The government price is fixed by government.
Very good. Now the question is, when does government will announce the minimum support price? It's सबसे important है. Is it before the harvest, during the harvest or after the harvest?
Before the harvest.
मतलब खेती के पहले. ऐसा क्यों? Because farmer को confidence मिलता है. I told you government says that 1 quintal of wheat is costing 450 rupees. This is our example what we were giving. Good. Government government has fixed the price as 450 before the harvest. वो टाइम इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्शन हो गया, there was surplus production in the market. When supply is more and demand is less, as the theory of demand says, the price will go up, and it has happened also. Okay, the price has come down because of surplus production. Okay, suppose the price is 410 in the market. मार्केट का प्राइस है 410, लेकिन फार्मर को डरने का सवाल नहीं है. व्हाट इज द रीजन? गवर्नमेंट प्रॉमिस किया गया हम 450 में आपके पास से खरीदेगा. सो फार्मर इज वेरी हैप्पी. मार्केट का प्राइस है 410, लेकिन फार्मर को मिलता है 450 बिकॉज इट इज प्रोक्योर्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. यू मे आस्क द क्वेश्चन, मैडम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? व्हाट इज द रीजन? Government wanted to encourage, or government wanted to develop motivation.
Motivate the farmer.
Yes, motivate the farmer, encourage the production, so that you know the farmer at the time, Indian farmer का सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रेस ही वही है. एक बड़ा स्ट्रेस है मानसून. मानसून आने पर फ्लड हो जाएगा, मानसून नहीं आने पर ड्रॉट हो जाएगा. So it's a very big challenging job for the Indian farmer. So इधर मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस अनाउंस करने पर फार्मर का स्ट्रेस इज लेस, बिकॉज फार्मर नोस दैट स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज गेटिंग मनी फ्रॉम द the government is announcing the price, so that farmer is getting money from the government. So there is a lot of encouragement for the production. Therefore, minimum support price is acting as a देखो floor price and guaranteed income to the farmer. This is the main point. Advantage क्या है children? Minimum support price का, it is acting as the floor price. Second, it is providing guaranteed income to the farmer. पैसा बैंक में डालकर कैसा बैठता है, ऐसा ही फार्मर को इन्वेस्ट, when he is doing the when the farmer is investing in the land, he is sure that उसको इनकम इज गारंटीड, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट तो मार्केट प्राइस से भी ऊपर खरीदेगा. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस. उधर आप देखो एक रिवर्स सिचुएशन हो सकता है. आई टोल्ड यू फार्मर इज लाइक एक्सेस प्रोडक्शन का स्टोरी बोला. सपोज दैट देयर इज ड्रॉट. हमको मालूम है ड्रॉट मीन्स नो रेन. मार्केट में एकदम ड्रॉट आ गया. ड्रॉट आने पर क्या होगा? Again, the crops will be spoiled because there is the drought. Drought है, crops है नहीं, जो है वो भी spoil हो जाएगा. So market में production कम है because of the drought. इस situation में government क्या करेगा? Government, because of the drought, I will just rub this. I'm writing here. Situation, there is the drought. Okay. Drought means supply become very less because it is extreme drought है. Drought के वजह से supply become less. पहले example का opposite example है. Supply become less. When supply become less, suppose that market price is 475. Market price is 475 per acre or per quintal. Per quintal के ऊपर 475 supply price, मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया. लेकिन ड्रॉट की वजह से क्या होगा? सप्लाई है नहीं. सो मार्केट प्राइस टचेस. कैन यू टेल मी, विल इट बी मोर और नो, मोर और लेस?
Less.
कैसा लेस चिल्ड्रन? देयर इज ड्रॉट इन द मार्केट. ड्रॉट मतलब बारिश बिल्कुल है नहीं. सो उधर प्रोडक्शन बहुत कम है. प्रोडक्शन बहुत कम होने पर गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगा? गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगा? गवर्नमेंट ड्रॉट होने की वजह से मार्केट में जो प्राइस है वो 475 है. गवर्नमेंट तो सपोर्ट प्राइस पहले अनाउंस करता है. सो गवर्नमेंट हैज अनाउंस 450 बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट को मालूम नहीं है अभी ड्रॉट आने वाला है करके. सो गवर्नमेंट हैज अनाउंस द सपोर्ट प्राइस इज 450. ड्यू टू द ड्रॉट मार्केट प्राइस इज 475. इधर सिचुएशन उल्टा है. देखो इधर माय क्वेश्चन इज, एक सिचुएशन में गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगा? कैन यू टेल मी? Situation is different. Point number 1, there is drought. Point number 2, government has announced a supply price, or Okay, and minimum support price is 475, but market का जो sale minimum support price is, government has announced 450 rupees as a support price, market का price is 475. एक केस में क्या होगा? Market price minimum support price से ज्यादा है. So can the farmer sell at the market price? Question is clear. Can the farmer sell at the market price? Because minimum support price जो announce किया गया, that is less than the market price. Market price is 475. Minimum support price is 450. Yes, children. Can the farmer sell in the market? Yes or no?
No.
My dear children, you are so innocent. Farmer can sell. Government freedom देता है. आपको जब हाई प्राइस मिलेगा, आपके लिए मार्केट में जा सकते हैं. When low price होता है, that time government is purchasing the food grains. Madam, कितना अच्छा initiative है. If you know about India, you will feel more and more attached with our government. Not only the present government, what I am telling is all the government. Okay, please understand that. So what did I say? Minimum support price is announced by the government to protect the farmer. Point number one. When the support price is above the market price, I told you, support price market price से भी ज़्यादा है, then farmer is assured of guaranteed income. If the support price is less than market price, then what will happen? Farmer will sell in the market. So how you will remember? First point is the market price is greater than support price. Market price support price से भी ज़्यादा है. ऐसा सिचुएशन में फार्मर कैन सेल इन द मार्केट, उसको फ्रीडम दिया है. सेकेंड केस में मार्केट प्राइस इज लेस देन सपोर्ट प्राइस, सो गवर्नमेंट विल परचेज द प्रोडक्ट. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? सपोर्ट प्राइस ग्रुप में डालो.
यस मैम.
ओके, बाकी लोगों का आवाज किधर है? हाँ, अभी आवाज आ गया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. When I hear your voice, I feel so motivated. So what is minimum support price, children? It is a support given by government to protect the farmer, and government is providing guaranteed income to the farmer. अभी का जो स्ट्राइक में ये सब इफेक्ट हुआ है, इसलिए farmer is unhappy. Farmer is having their own side of stories. Government is having their own side of stories. Common man like you and yourself and myself, we will read the newspaper and collect the news because we don't know what is the fact. Second, देखो, मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है इधर. मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस फॉर wheat. So any minimum support price fixed by the government, it is announced before the harvest. Support price for wheat is rupees 10,000 for quintal. Okay, ये तो किलो नहीं है, क्विंटल है. Bumper harvest, supply will be more, price will fall, market price will be 8,500. इस सिचुएशन में गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगा? Read it and find out. Answer नहीं होता. You have to tell me. It's a very good bumper harvest. Production is very good. Government has announced 10,000 rupees as the support price. Okay. Government has announced 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, government has announced 10,000 rupees as the support price. Market price is 8,500. एक केस में farmer क्या करेगा? This is the question. जल्दी बोलने के हैं।
गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट करेंगे।
हाँ बराबर, गवर्नमेंट को सपोर्ट करेगा, यू आर राइट, बिकॉज सपोर्ट प्राइस मार्केट प्राइस से भी ज्यादा है। सो फार्मर को कंफर्म्ड इनकम है 10,000, whereas market price उससे कम है. Okay, that is also the situation. अभी we are talking about statutory minimum, तो we had already told. इसमें anything?
Ma'am, link.
हाँ लिंक ना देता है, हाँ 2 मिनट में देता है. We are discussing procurement price. Procurement price एकदम अलग है. What is procurement price? Procurement price is the price in which, ये देखो, government collect the food grains from the government is collecting food grains from the farmer, generally at a price lower than open market price, but greater than minimum support price. पानी पीना पड़ेगा, समझ में नहीं आने पर. प्रोक्योरमेंट प्राइस क्या है? सपोर्ट प्राइस ऑलरेडी डिक्लेयर कर दिया, उसका अलावा गवर्नमेंट और एक अनाउंसमेंट करेगा. हमने से फॉर एग्जांपल इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी, बिकॉज प्रोडक्शन सब हो गया जनवरी में, फार्मर आराम करता है. ओके, सो गवर्नमेंट इज अनाउंसिंग दैट every farmer has to give, say for example, I am telling you, every farmer has to give 100 quintal wheat to the government in the harvest season. आप लोग तो गांव में जाने वाला लोग हैं, मेरे से भी ज्यादा आपका एक्चुअली आइडिया आना चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट इज अनाउंसिंग, गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, एवरीबडी हैज टू सबमिट 100 क्विंटल्स टू द गवर्नमेंट. सो फार्मर का जो फूड ग्रेन है उसमें से 100 क्विंटल गवर्नमेंट को देना पड़ेगा. And are they giving free? No. Government is not taking it freely. Government is giving a price to the farmer. But of course, that price will be higher than minimum price, but lower than, okay, open market price. Please remember that. Government, what did I say? You are producing 1,000 quintal. उसमें से 100 किलो आपको जबरदस्ती से गवर्नमेंट को देना ही पड़ेगा, कंपलसरी है. आप बोलेगा मैं क्यों देने का? गवर्नमेंट विल टेल दैट यू आर द फार्मर ऑफ द कंट्री, आपको देना ही पड़ेगा. ओके, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, आपका 1,000 क्विंटल आपने प्रोड्यूस कर दिया, गवर्नमेंट हैज डिसाइडेड 100 क्विंटल्स. ओके, सो इन दैट केस गवर्नमेंट का लोग आपका घर में आकर 100 क्विंटल लेके जाएगा. उसके लिए आपको रसीद भी मिलेगा, पैसा भी मिलेगा. सपोज दैट 1 क्विंटल इज कॉस्टिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल 100 रुपीज. सो 100 into multiplied by 900. Okay. What is the speciality of this procurement price? ये तो ओपन मार्केट प्राइस के उतना हाई नहीं होगा, लेकिन मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस से भी ज्यादा होगा. That we are coming for the concluding session. Remaining things we will be continuing in the next